Hello everyone, this is ART195 group project, a demonstration on masking with color channels. My name is Sam Ostgaard. I will be starting off where Drew left. So make sure the blue copy is selected. Next you'll go over to Image, Adjustments, Levels. Once you do, you'll have a window pop up that you can then adjust the levels. I've also learned that you can get to this menu by using a key combo shortcut known as a hotkey. And the way you're going to do that, let me show you right here, is hold down Control and press L. Or if you're on a Mac, it's Command and then you press L. And so what you want to do here is move the dark slider towards the middle, and then you want to do the same with the white. And what we're trying to do here is bring out the most contrast so that it's like a mask. Then you want to click OK. Now once you've done this, it's considered a fixed adjustment, meaning it's no longer adjustable. But you can get back by going into the history right here. Next, we will switch to the paintbrush tool, which you can access right here in the tool menu. Or you can press the B key for a shortcut. Now right-click anywhere in the image and the brush size menu will appear. You can change the size here. You can resize the brush to whatever size you want. I hope this presentation was helpful. Thank you very much. Arlene, take it away.